Hey guys, this is Nate Webb from the Webb Law Firm, webattorney.com, and owner of Seattle DUI Pros. I have a lot of times clients asking me how to access information on the Washington State Department of Licensing's web page. For example, how to find your driving status, to check your driving status to make sure it's valid or not, and also how to order or purchase a driving record. And so this is extremely simple to do. But just so that you have an easy way of doing it, you can just follow my directions here. So you just come to dol.wa.gov, hit drivers, that's what I do. Come down, you can kind of already see where I've highlighted it, down to driving record, purchase a driving record, complete record, $13. And this is how you can do it online right here, driving record request. Or you can just purchase it without creating an account, or if you have a License Express account, you can do it that way. So if you haven't created a License Express account, here it is. You just start and self-explanatory the rest of the way. So the other way to check a driving status, you may have seen it when I was on their previous page, is purchase driving record was down here, right over here. Check the status of a driver's license, and then you can check the status of a driver's license. If you are trying to request a license or a hearing with the Department of Licensing to challenge any suspension of a driver's license due to a DUI arrest, here is how you can do that down here. So hearings, here is the how to request a hearing. You can do it online. I always suggest that you do not do that, but request a hearing. Here's a PDF, and you can print out the form, then you mail it in. You also would qualify for a waiver of this $375 if you meet the criteria below down here, and you'd have to put this form here too, application for DUI indigent waiver, along with the request for DUI hearing. You wouldn't have to include the fee if you qualify according to these guidelines here. In that situation, just put down your information on the DUI request form, leave the attorney portion blank, and then include this, and then if you subsequently hire an attorney, we can always step in and let the DOL know that we are assisting you. And so one other thing I wanted to point out was that if in fact you've forgotten to or didn't have a hearing, or you've already lost the hearing, and you want to try to apply for a restricted driver's license, there it is. In most cases it's going to be an ignition airlock driver's license. Here's all the requirements, here's the application. You would just have to fill that out, send it in. It costs $100, and you also have to have proof of an ignition airlock being installed on your vehicle, as well as having high risk or SR22 insurance. Right here is what this is. So whoever you get SR22 insurance from, your insurance provider will notify DOL that you have it, as well as the ignition airlock. Whoever you get the ignition airlock installed by will also notify DOL you have it. So then you would have to just make sure you get this application sent and turned in, or you can drop it off at a DOL office. And once they verify that you have the ignition airlock and the SR22, they will approve it as long as you qualify. These would be the ones where if your current suspension or revocation doesn't include minor possession or habitual traffic offender, you wouldn't qualify for that, but all the other ones you would. So if you have any questions, feel free as always to give us a call, 425-522-4200, or visit us at Webb Attorney, that's W-E-B-B, attorney.com, or SeattleDUIPros.com. All right, take care.